हाँ, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फीचर्स ऑफ परफेक्ट कंपटीशन और समटाइम्स वी कॉल इट फीचर्स ऑफ परफेक्ट मार्केट. We discussed perfect market and imperfect market. First of all, we discussed meaning of market. Then we discussed make distinction between perfect market and imperfect market. आज हम उठाएंगे when there is perfect market or perfect competition, what are its features? कौन कौन से पदुखाल हैं इसके. अगर हम किसी मार्केट को कहेंगे ये परफेक्ट मार्केट है, व्हाट आर इट इज फीचर्स, कौन कौन सी चीजें उसमें प्रेजेंट होती हैं, क्या क्या चीज एक मार्केट को परफेक्ट बनाती है, कौन कौन सा फीचर एक मार्केट को परफेक्ट मार्केट बना देती है. यस, आप लिख लीजिए फीचर्स ऑफ परफेक्ट कंपटीशन और परफेक्ट मार्केट. द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ परफेक्ट मार्केट आर एज एंड. First feature of a perfect market is large number of buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers. So first thing which is present in a perfect market is that there are large number of buyers and sellers. So you write down in the perfect market or in the perfect competition, the number of buyers and sellers is very large. The number of buyers and sellers is very large or it is quite large. बहुत ज्यादा है buyers and sellers. So it is such. So number of buyers and sellers is such that a single buyer or a single seller cannot change or affect the market price. A single buyer or a single seller or a seller cannot affect or change the market price. ये बंद कीजिए, ऑडियो बंद कीजिए महक. So in the perfect competition or in the perfect market, first feature of this market is there are large number of buyers and sellers, unlimited, we cannot count. There is such huge number of buyers and sellers that a single seller or a single buyer cannot change or cannot affect the market price of a commodity. Clear हो गया? तो वहां few नहीं है या limited नहीं है. There is unlimited buyers and sellers. This is the first feature. Second feature is there is homogeneous products or homogeneous commodity.
Yes, sir, same.
Yes, homogeneous commodity. The goods or the services or the commodities bought and sold by the sellers is same in all respects. So जो एक दुकानदार चीज बेचता है वही बिल्कुल same in all respects. Material, quality, package, company, etc. Everything is same in the commodity. So the commodities or the products bought and sold or offered for sale or same in all respects. in all respects. They are same. So the goods or the services or the commodities bought and sold in this market are same in all respects with respect to price, with respect to quality, with respect to package, color, etc. They are same in all respects. Thus, we can say the homogeneous commodities are bought and sold. Homogeneous commodities or offered for sale or offered for sale. जो producers हैं, जो sellers हैं, they offer same commodities in the market or sale. So this is second feature. So this is very compulsory question with respect to exam. तो ये पूछा जाता है, what are 3 features or what are 4 features of this perfect market?
Yes, sir.
Number third feature जो है, there is free entry and exit of firms.
Yes, sir.
Free
Leave any
entry and exit of firms. So sellers or firms or producers can freely enter the market or they can freely leave the market. The
Yes, sir.
firms or producers. The firms or producers can freely enter the market or leave the market. Or leave the market. They can enter the market or they can leave the market easily without any pressure or without any restriction. There is no restriction. There is no restriction upon them.
Legal restriction.
There is no restriction. Or RESTRICTI restriction upon them
On the entry or exit.
with respect to entry or exit.
Exit.
Yes, they can enter the market, they can leave the market without any pressure or without any restriction or without any compulsion. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
third important feature. Fourth feature is
Uniform
yes,
price.
free movement of factors of production.
Yes, sir.
Free movement of
Product.
factors of production. What are the factors of production? Factors of production कौन-कौन से हैं? Land, labor, capital, organization, and raw material. They can freely move in the market. They can enter the market or they can leave the market. The factors of production. The factors of production can easily move in the market. They can enter the market easily. They can leave the market easily. The factors of production can move easily and quickly. In the market from one place to another or from one firm to
Another.
अगर मजदूर को एक फर्म में ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, he can move to another firm for work. हाँ, कैपिटलिस्ट एक फर्म को नहीं चाहता है, वो दूसरे में जा सकता है freely. So they are free to enter or leave the market, or they are free to move from one firm to another, or enter or leave the market. Enter or leave the market. They are free to enter or leave the market. They can easily move from one firm to another firm. So they are free to move from one firm to another or enter or leave the market. So this is the fourth feature. Large number of buyers and sellers, homogeneous commodities are bought and sold. There is free entry and exit of firms. There is free movement of factors of production. Factors of production can move from one firm to another firm or enter the market or leave the market. These are four. And the fifth one is, ये कितने आ गए? चार. चार. Fifth है. What is fifth? Do you have any concept or knowledge?
The perfect knowledge. Yeah, perfect.
Yes, perfect knowledge among buyers and sellers.
Sellers.
Fifth, perfect knowledge among buyers and sellers. Among buyers and sellers. Yes. The buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge about market conditions. The buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge about market conditions, regarding price, product, supply, demand, etc. So
Yes, sir.
buyers and sellers are fully aware about market conditions. Yes. कितने हो गए? 5.
Sir, point.
These 5 are very important, very important. Now we have, in addition to these 5, we have more features which makes a market perfect market. The 6th one is
Perfect mobility.
perfect mobility. वो हमने लिख लिया. Perfect
Yes, sir.
mobility of factors of production or free movement of factors. That is perfect mobility.
Yes,
वही
sir.
होता है. हाँ. और है no extra transport cost. No extra transport cost. Transport cost. So for one price to prevail throughout the market, it is essential that there is no extra transport cost for the consumers while buying commodity from different sellers. So there is no extra transport cost for buyers. There is no extra transport cost for buyers to prevail one price. Prevail
One price.
for a product. ये आपको समझ आ गया? फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये है मार्केट. एक फर्म यहाँ है, एक फर्म यहाँ है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये रोड है. ये बताएगा कंज्यूमर के मैं इससे ले लूंगा प्रोडक्ट, मुझे ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉस्ट कम हो जाएगा. मैं इससे नहीं ले लूंगा, ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉस्ट ज्यादा हो जाएगा. नहीं, इट इज सच अ मार्केट, देयर इज नो ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉस्ट. अगर ये प्रोडक्ट
Yes,
इससे लेगा या इससे लेगा, ये सड़क तक बराबर कीमत पे आएगा. सो इट इज सच ए सिचुएशन, सच ए कंडीशंस आर क्रिएटेड. ऐसी कंडीशंस बनाई गई है इस मार्केट में कि बायर को एक्स्ट्रा ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉस्ट बियर नहीं करना पड़ता है. ओके.
Yes, sir.
There is no transport cost for buyers to prevail or to exist one price for a product.
Product.
Yes. Number 7th is only normal profits. Normal profits are earned by all sellers or producers.
Producers.
Only normal profits. Producers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
और भी कुछ मतलब I can say features हैं. ये 5 सॉफ्ट जो हैं ये ज्यादा जरूरी हैं.
Yes,
एक large number of buyers and sellers हैं.
homogeneous product.
Homogeneous product है और free entry and exit of firms है. Free mobility of factors of production or free movement of factors of production. Perfect knowledge among buyers and
Sellers.
Yes. लिख लिया ये?
Yes, sir.
ये लिख लिया. हमारा इसमें दूसरा है, एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन आप लिख लीजिए. A firm under perfect competition is a price taker, not a price maker. How?
Yes.
ये हो गया. How a firm under perfect market is a price taker, not price maker. Not price maker. So under perfect competition, there is large number of firms producing homogeneous product. An individual firm in such a market cannot change price of a product. Price is determined by the forces of demand and supply. So under perfect competition, there is large number of buyers and sellers, large number of sellers or firms. यहाँ large number of firms है. They are producing same products or homogeneous products. हमें रीजन देना है कि क्यों एक फर्म अपने प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस चेंज नहीं कर सकती. तो पहला आर्गुमेंट जो हमारा होना चाहिए, which is a strong argument in favor of this price taker concept, that there is large number of sellers or firms. They are producing the homogeneous product. Producing homogeneous product. Thus, a firm cannot change its price. Cannot change its price. Change its price. So the price is determined. Price कौन determine करता है इसमें? Demand and supply. Price is determined by the forces of
demand and supply.
वो हम दिखाएंगे आपको when we will take up the topic how price is determined under perfect competition. जब हम topic उठाएंगे, so all the firms in this market sell their output at the given price. Thus, all firms sell their products or output at a given price. So this price is given by the market, not a single firm. So it
Yes,
therefore
sir.
said that a firm under perfect competition is price taker, not
Not price.
maker. So it is therefore
Yes, sir.
said that a firm in perfect market is price taker, not price maker. Not price maker. Okay. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
argument in favor of that firm is price maker, price taker, not price maker.
Maker.
So how we can say the following terms, this is explained in terms of following reasons. It is due to following reasons. Due to following reasons. क्या क्या reason अगर कोई आपको ये बताएगा क्या क्या reason है? Number 1 is large number of firms.
Buyer.
Number of
Yes, sir.
firms.
Common.
एक बायर के लिए अनलिमिटेड ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं, वो किसी भी
Infinite.
फर्म के पास जा सकता है और प्रोडक्ट ले सकता है. दूसरा है फर्क नहीं है प्रोडक्ट्स में, होमोजीनियस प्रोडक्ट्स. यस, होमोजीनियस
Yes, sir.
है ना, होमोजीनियस प्रोडक्ट. सो अननेसेसरी लॉस इफ लोअर प्राइस इज फिक्स्ड. थर्ड है इफ ए फर्म at its own decrease its price. अगर कोई फर्म डिक्रीज करेगा अपन प्राइस करे सो डिक्रीज, अपना प्राइस वो डिक्रीज करेगा,
Yes, sir.
she will suffer huge losses. So there will be unnecessary loss.
Loss.
Yes, unnecessary loss. Unnecessary loss for a firm if it lowers its price.
Yes, sir.
अगर वो अपना प्राइस कम करेगा तो उसको लॉस ये बर्दाश्त करना होगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
तो नेक्स्ट हमारा ये छोटा मोटा क्वेश्चन है. डिमांड करो ऑफ ए फर्म अंडर परफेक्ट कंपटीशन इज परफेक्टली इलास्टिक. हमने आपको पढ़ाया भी उसमें, what is the shape of demand curve in different markets. अगर आप ये भी लिखोगे, हमारे पास थोड़ा टाइम है अभी, फिर कल हम उठाएंगे प्राइस डिटर्मिनेशन अंडर परफेक्ट कंपटीशन. How demand curve of a firm under perfect competition is question. How demand curve of a firm under perfect competition or perfect market is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means a horizontal line parallel to x-axis, perfectly elastic. Demand curve is perfectly elastic. ये है शेप ऑफ द डिमांड कर्व फॉर ए फर्म, एक फर्म के लिए. ये माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स है. इफ दिस इज क्वांटिटी सोल्ड और क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड एंड OY शोज प्राइस. तो डिमांड करो एक फर्म की परफेक्ट मार्केट में ये है. दिस इज द डिमांड.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is perfect. This is OP, is price है.
Yes, sir.
प्राइस है. तो डिमांड इज इंफिनिटी. डिमांड इज इंफिनिटी. हाँ, ये प्राइस दिया हुआ है तो इस प्राइस पे कोई भी क्वांटिटी ये सेल कर सकता है. कोई भी क्वांटिटी, प्राइस सेम, प्राइस सेम है, कोई भी क्वांटिटी ये सेल कर सकता है. दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल इट a firm has perfectly elastic demand curve. The demand curve of a
Yes.
firm is perfectly elastic. It means that the firm can sell any amount of commodity at the given price.
Price.
The demand curve of a firm under perfect market or perfect competition is perfectly elastic or perfectly elastic. That is horizontal line,
Parallel.
horizontal line parallel to x-axis, which shows that a firm can sell any quantity of a good at given price, at given market price, at given market price. So the firm's demand curve is indicated by a horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. It shows that firm is to accept the market, is to accept the price as determined by the forces of demand and supply. It can sell whatever amount it wishes to sell. So firm's entire output is demanded at OP. Okay. So the figure shows that PP is demand curve of the firm under perfect competition. Under perfect competition, it can sell any amount of a good at OP price. It can sell any amount, either OA or OB or OBC at price OP. At price OP. So price remains constant. Whatever quantity demanded is OA or OB or OC or zero or any. So price remains same. Price remains same. Yes. Yes. Whatever quantity is demanded. Whatever quantity is sold. Whatever quantity is sold. That is either OA or OB or OC or zero.
Yes, sir.
It can sell any quantity as it like, but price remains same. This is the reason why a firm faces perfectly elastic demand curve. Perfectly elastic
Demand.
So this is all about the features of perfect competition. तो कल हम उठाएंगे प्राइस डिटर्मिनेशन अंडर परफेक्ट कंपटीशन. आज के लिए मुझे लग रहा है काफी है. ओके.
यस सर. ओके सर.
लेकिन आप 11 बजे एग्जैक्टली आप ट्राई करते रहिए. अगर 10-15 मिनट ज्यादा भी रहेंगे तो मुझे जो 11th का क्लास होता है ना, वो कभी 10 मिनट आगे जाता है. टॉपिक कंप्लीट नहीं होता है तो 10 मिनट आगे जाता है. तो दैट इज व्हाई आपको थोड़ा देर करना पड़ेगा और 10 मिनट ज्यादा. तो इसलिए आप थोड़ा बर्दाश्त कर दीजिए. ये 11 से 12 तक सारा टाइम आपके लिए है. फ्रॉम ये आप नहीं समझना कि बराबर 11 बजे होगा तो 11:40 पे खत्म. नहीं, ये 11:10 पे भी लगेगा, 11:15 पे भी लगेगा. तो आपके लिए एनफ टाइम है. यू कैन यूज होल डे इन दिस क्लास. तो वो परेशानी नहीं है. ओके.
ओके सर.
हाँ, ये कॉपी बनाना है.
यस सर. हम
सोचते हैं कि आपका टेस्ट भी हो जाए, ऑनलाइन ही ले लेंगे हम. तो हम जल्दी वो भी अनाउंस करेंगे. ठीक है. कल
Yes,
मैं
sir.
उठाऊंगा प्राइस डिटर्मिनेशन अंडर परफेक्ट कंपैरिजन, वो आप तैयार रखना है।
Yes, sir.
घर जो नजर जमा अत यूट्यूब वुच वीडियोस वुच, तो मोबाइल आज अवेलेबल, नेट अवेलेबल, 4G अवेलेबल
Yes,
है,
sir.
तो आप ये डायल करना यूट्यूब में प्राइस डिटर्मिनेशन अंडर परफेक्ट कंपैरिजन, तो वहां हजारों वीडियोस आपके लिए आएंगे, हजारों प्रोफेसर्स आपको लेसन दे देंगे। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू। ये भागना
Thank
नहीं,
you.
आप
No, sir.
आप 2-4 मिनट कर फिर भागते हो, सर ने क्लास नहीं लिया, तो मैं मैसेज डालता हूं जब जिस दिन मैं क्लास नहीं ले लूंगा।
No, sir. ऐसे try करा.
ट्राई करें 10-15 मिनट को ट्राई, बस असा ये प्रारा।
Yes.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।